Hi, I'm AJ here at Great River. I'm here to demonstrate a proper wall sit. First thing first, when starting off, you want to make sure you got a solid wall, not a door or anything like that. Make sure it's nice and sturdy, okay? Now, you can lean on that wall. You want to be all the way flat up against that wall. From there, you can slide down. The goal is to try to get nice, straight, get that nice good 90 degree between those hips. If it's a little bit difficult, you can come up, elevate just slightly, get that workout from a high position, okay? Now, starting off, with a good wall sit. Again, want to have that 90 sit here. You might feel that burn in those hamstrings, in those quads. If you're squeezing that in that core, want to keep that core nice and tight. If you're squeezing, you might feel it in the glutes as well. Okay? Now, from there, move down to level two. Now, let's just say our standard wall sit is too easy for you, and you want to add a little bit of a challenge. Again, find a sturdy wall. Want to move the weight up. Right now, 15 kettlebell. Holding our wall sit, just want to keep that weight right up against our chest. Hold here for a specific time, depending on whatever workout you're running. Okay? Again, good 90. Keep that core tight. You want to squeeze that core. Okay, you don't want to suck in too tight. Okay, keep that stomach out. Squeeze that core. Maintain good breathing. Level 3. I now have 2 kettlebells. Holding that weight down to the side. Again, if that 90 is too much, it's okay. Come up slightly if you need to. From there, again, hold for the proper time. Big chest, core tight, maintain that good position. Moving into level 4. Now I'm moving into a weighted ball. Now you can use a weighted ball, kettlebell ball. You can use the dumbbell if you would like as well. But again, getting back into that good seated wall sit, okay? Good sturdy wall. Hitting that 90. Keep that core tight. Remember your breathing, okay? It's important. Now, moving into this weighted ball, we're gonna add a little bit of rotation. You wanna try to turn, work side to side without bringing that back off the wall. Keep that back flat with that rotation. Get as far as we can, work side to side. And there, start middle, again, work overhead, come right back down the center chest. Again, overhead, right back down the center chest. Stay with level 4 here. We can go into our wood choppers as well. Moving back into our weighted ball. Start down low at that 45. You're going to come right up through that chest, work up towards the ceiling. Okay? Depending on your intensity, you can do like 3 sets of 6. If you want to go higher intensity, you can add reps. Increase the weight if you add reps. Okay? Again, hit the other side. Work up. Back and down. Come back center. Push yourself up. Okay, so that will wrap us up for today. Thank you guys so much for participating and coming in and enjoying this video. If you have any more questions, you can always come visit us at the gym. And my name again is AJ, work here at Great River, fitness specialist. Hope you enjoy the show.